Hi there. So quite often I get asked the question, what is involved in doing a set of limited company accounts? So I've just wanted to explain that using this graphic, flow that we've created. So the first step effectively is we analyse the information, so the sales, the expenses, and produce a profit and loss account. Obviously, alongside that, we need to produce a balance sheet, so the bank reconciliation is key towards that also. And then within the balance sheet, there's other things, fixed assets, so on. We obviously then need to either take the information from your records if you kept spreadsheets or your own bookkeeping software, or if we do the bookkeeping, we'll be taking that and uploading it to our accounting software, so we can then submit it from there to the government, Companies House and HMRC. We also then consider it's not just a case of taking what we've been given and then that's the end product. We have to consider if there's any other allowable expenses that haven't been included, so home office, mobile, this sort of thing. We always look at the bigger picture, okay, so we always look at what else is going on, what's the most tax efficient approach. I mentioned it, family members, this sort of thing, so if it's family business, for example. So yeah, it's looking at the structure of the business, it's looking at what, the tax bands. I mean, one of our key objectives is to avoid high rate tax, for example. We then finalise everything. The corporation tax is calculated, what's allowable for tax, what's not, without going into too much detail. So things like entertaining are disallowable, but do save dividend tax. So we then summarise everything for you. We send out a detailed summary, give you all the explanations, what you need to pay when, all this sort of thing, what we've done, effectively describing the process for each specific client, what we've actually done, and then what's blocked out here because my face is in the corner of the screen is number 9, which is submission. And just then in the corner, in the right hand corner of this graphic video, we've got the pension piece, just general advice obviously we're able to give. There's things like making tax digital, coronavirus, there's been about 1 million changes and 19 budgets this year, and we're running regular webinars and providing tax tips and content on a continuous basis, really. So in effect, this is our offering. So it's quite a substantial piece of work, even for smaller businesses, because we want to do a quality job, and typically what happens is we go through these steps and we achieve tax savings for clients and make our clients as tax efficient as possible. So the benefit of that, compared with just doing sort of a bit of a knockout job where some of these accountancy factories, they're only going to do 2 or 3 of these steps, effectively take what they've been given and submit the thing effectively without any actual analytical thinking, advice, extra adjustments or consideration of the tax position. So effectively that's what you get with Lesser & Co, and I hope that's helpful. Thanks.